Hi dear friends, this is Shodesh Modok. You are watching video from Impact, the Spoken English Club. My today's topic is past continuous. Okay, please get ready to listen. At first, I am telling you a little bit information about Sarah. Okay, suppose it is 6 o'clock now. Sarah is at home. She is watching television. At 4 o'clock, she was at the sports club. She wasn't at home. She was playing tennis. Okay, please try to understand. Sarah began playing at 3 o'clock and she stopped playing at 4:30. Okay, so at 4 o'clock, she was in the mid of her game. That's why I have used here she was playing. She started playing at 3 o'clock and stopped playing at 4:30. Okay, so at 4 o'clock she wasn't at home. She was playing then. Have you understood? So we use this tense to refer to a continuous action, but the action took place in the past. Okay, now I am telling you the formation. The formation is also very easy and simple. In this construction, we use was and were after the subject. Okay, and after was and were, we use the ing form as main verb or ordinary verb. I have just told you Sarah was playing. Okay, in this way, we can construct every sentence. Okay, please try to make as many sentences as you can. I am giving you some examples. With the person I, we, then you, then they, he, she, it, we know where to use was and where to use were. I am telling you again these rules. The persons with whom we use am, we must use was in past, and the persons with whom we use are, we must use were in past. Okay, so I was, we were, you were, they were, it was. Okay, he, she was. So, I am giving you the complete sentence. I was playing, but you were playing yesterday. I was playing yesterday at 4 o'clock. They were playing. They were watching television. They were running in the morning yesterday. Okay, so you can make as many sentences as you can with this simple construction, and in negative, simply we use not. I have already mentioned a number of times the negative construction. I wasn't playing. They were not playing yesterday at this time. Okay, and in question we also use the inversion. That means the auxiliary verb comes in front of the subject. Were you playing cricket yesterday? Okay, were you watching television yesterday at this time? and these are yes no questions, and we know it also very well how to construct a WH question. In front of the auxiliary, we can use here the necessary question word or WH word to frame a WH question. Okay, so this is also very easy to learn. Please try to understand and practice it. Actually, practice is very important. I am just giving you the simple construction and telling you the use of this construction. You can make a number of sentences. A number of sentences can be framed with this simple construction. Okay, try to make as many as you can and practice them regularly. We know it very well. Practice makes one perfect, and if you want to be a fluent speaker, try to use a simple construction and make them use the construction in many sentences. By using this construction, make many sentences, especially the sentences that you can use in your everyday life. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you.